Hello, welcome to the Buzz Center. My name is Simone Fishburne and I am President-elect of Women in Bio. And I'm absolutely delighted to be here today with one of the female leaders in our industry, Seema Kumar, who is Vice President of Innovation Communications at J&J. Hi, Seema.
Hi, how are you?
Great to be with you. So let me start by asking you, as you know, in your role in communications, what do you think are the key challenges for the pharma industry in communicating to the broader public what we do?
That's a great question. I actually worked in academia and government for a long time before working in the pharmaceutical industry and led the communications effort for the Human Genome Project. So it wasn't until I came to Johnson & Johnson that I realized that the pharmaceutical research and development enterprise is far more complex than we comprehend. It takes a lot to make a molecule into a medicine. And so I think one of the biggest challenges we face is explaining the complexity and the different nature of the science that goes on in the pharmaceutical R&D enterprise. And I think we need to put a lot more effort into educating the broader public and even the science and technology leaders about the pharmaceutical research and development process and enterprise.
Thank you, that's very interesting. Now, you do talk about the complexity of making drugs from a molecule. How do you see J&J's innovation centers? You have them, all over the country, recently announced one in London. How do you see those as playing a role in converting those molecules into drugs as we move forward?
At Johnson & Johnson, we believe in bringing forward the best science, no matter where it takes place, to solve the most unmet medical needs that we all face as a society. And so our innovation centers, which we've established in San Francisco, Boston, London, and Shanghai, are designed to access innovation from these hotspots, innovation hotspots where science and technology are burgeoning. And so our goal is to be able to partner with those in academia as well as biotech and other industries to access the best science to solve some of the biggest challenges of our time.
Thanks, Seema. Now you talk about the leaders and you're a female leader, but to be honest, there aren't a huge number compared with male leaders, of course, of women in the industry. How do you see women's role changing in leadership of science in this industry in the next, say, 5 to 10 years?
I think the role of women in science as well as women in biotechnology and pharmaceuticals is critical and important. At Johnson & Johnson, we believe that it takes a diverse set of viewpoints, approaches, styles to bring forward the best outcomes. And so to that end, I see that women are going to play increasingly enhanced roles, both in leading as well as in bringing forward science to the next level. And I think their role is important and critical and cannot be understated. So,
Seema, we wish you and J&J a whole lot of luck, certainly in helping us convert all our ideas into actual drugs that get into patients' hands. And look forward to hearing more from your communications team.
Thank you very much. Thank you for having me. It has been a real pleasure and look forward to communicating more about Johnson & Johnson's long-standing tradition as well as future in innovation.
Thank you.
Thank you.